Alright guys, it's mackerel season, so pelagics, and I'm just going to show you the little hack that I've done. I'll show you how to do it and how it works. Essentially, I needed to ensure that I didn't lose my expensive reels. It's a Talica, you know, they're quite expensive, and unlike a TLD that has clips on the top for a harness, the Talica doesn't, which means you need to connect it to the rod. Now, initially I had a zip clip around a strap, but you know what? That wasn't strong enough, especially when you've forgotten to tighten your drag up or loosen your drag up too much. So if we have a closer look here, you can see what I've done. I've got a bolt. This is a M5 bolt that goes up the center of the existing setup. So this is the existing Talica nut and bolt, and then I put a bolt up the center of that, and then I put a lock nut, a spring washer, and a flat washer on it. And what I do is I have a surfboard strap that I've cut down, and I have this clip, 316 stainless, and it allows me to clip it on. And therefore, if for some reason I haven't set my drag properly and it rips the rod out of the holder, I now have a solution. You can also do this on a Speedmaster as well. And here I've got a Speedmaster with the same sort of thing happening. What I did do is basically, this is a stainless steel clip that they use for putting stainless steel wiring on handrails. You can get them at your local hardware store. Look for 316. This one is not 316. The one on it is. And essentially measure the distance between here and here on your reel, and then you're going to need to squash this down in a vise till the distance between the two holes is the same. And then all I've got is a little box of nuts and washers. So for the Speedmaster, it's a smaller bolt, so it's the M4, and for the Talica it's an M5 bolt, which fits straight up the center. And then I have the nut and washer there to hook them up. It's essential to be able to get things done very quickly, right? So with one hand, because, you know, I don't know if you've ever caught a big fish, but if you have, they got a lot of power, and then you know what, you're kind of in a hurry and rushing around, and using two hands to put a clip on is a problem. So anyway guys, I hope you like it. If you've got any questions, ask them below. If you like the video, push like. If you dislike the video, push dislike, but tell us why. Cheers.